Introducing the ultimate keto meal plan with one of my favorite recipes, Persian cucumber salad. Here's how you can make it. Thinly slice 6 Persian cucumbers and add them to a large jar or bowl. Cube 1 avocado and add it in. Slice 1 full scallion, both white and green parts. Finely chop 1/3 cup of fresh dill and mint. Add 2 ounces of toasted walnuts, 1½ ounces of feta cheese, and 2 tablespoons sumac. Dress it with lemon zest, lemon juice, 3 to 4 tablespoons of good olive oil, salt, and pepper. Give it a toss and enjoy. Want more? Elevate your keto journey with brand new cookbook, packed with 500 delicious recipes and an 8-week meal plan to keep you on track. Whether you're new to keto or a seasoned pro, these meals will keep you satisfied and healthy. Click the link in my bio for more details.